on August 25, 1979. A tropical disturbance developed near Cape Verde of the coast of Africa, eventually growing into Hurricane David. Over the following days, the storm strengthened as it moved west-northwest across the Atlantic, ultimately becoming one of the most destructive hurricanes of its era. By August 27th, the system had reached hurricane strength and was bearing down on the Caribbean. On August 29th, the island of Dominica suffered a direct hit, with winds reaching 150 miles per hour. The storm devastated the capital, Roseau, and much of the island. 37 people were killed, and some 6,000, nearly three-quarters of the population, were left homeless. Dominica's banana and citrus crops, vital to its economy, were completely destroyed, marking the worst natural disaster in the island's history up to that time. Just hours later, in the early morning of August 31st, David slammed into Santo Domingo and the Dominican Republic as a Category 5 hurricane. With sustained winds of 175 miles per hour and gusts exceeding 200, the storm surge sent waves 20 to 30 feet high crashing ashore. Torrential rains triggered deadly mudslides, and flooding proved catastrophic, claiming some 2,000 lives and causing more than $1 billion in damage. One of the deadliest incidents occurred in Padre Elias Casas, where over 400 residents, tied together while fleeing uphill, were swept away when a dike burst. On September 1st, David battered the Bahamas before striking Florida 2 days later, inflicting $60 million in damages. From there, the storm traveled up the U.S. East Coast, lashing Charleston, South Carolina, and causing flooding and widespread power outages as far north as New York. After leaving a trail of destruction across the Caribbean and eastern United States, Hurricane David finally dissipated on September 7th.